our meat and seafood display case. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 72 inches, a depth of 33.5 inches, and height with wheels, we have 55.5 inches tall. Coming to the back of the display case, on the ceiling will be an LED strip that runs along the top, and coming below will be 4 adjustable shelves, 2 on the top and 2 in the middle. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. The top shelves will measure 12 inches in depth with a length of 57 inches. 57 inches applies to the top shelf in one continuous row. The bottom shelf will share the same length of 57 inches with a depth of 15 inches. Also included will be shelves that can be used for the bottom portion. The dimensions for the bottom portion will include 70 inches in length by 29 inches in depth. Coming to the lower corner will be the temperature controller along with the power switch. And coming to the left center, dual slide doors will be additional compartment, with the interior measuring 51.5 inches in length, 12 inches in height, and a depth of 24.5 inches. Included will also be the 110/120 voltage plug. And coming to the bottom portion will be a cork that can be loosened for the drain. Coming to the right bottom corner will be the ETL certification and specs for this meat case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.